Hi, welcome to JSR DevOps with Ratna. Today we are discussing about what is Consul-exporter in Prometheus, why we are using and where we can use, how we can use this Consul-exporter. We can discuss in this video. Consul-exporter is a lightweight tool that allows Prometheus to collect metrics from your Consul environment. It gathers important information such as which services are healthy, which nodes are running, and the overall status of your infrastructure. It's especially useful for DevOps engineers to track service health, node availability, and to set up automated alerts. In this video, we will learn what Consul exporter, why it's used, and how it helps us monitor distributed application in real time using Prometheus and Grafana. First of all, we need to know what is Consul. Consul is an open source tool developed by HashiCorp. It is widely used in cloud native and DevOps environment to help with service discovery, finding where services are running, and also we can identify health checking if services are alive and responding. So we can store small configuration values like future flags on service addresses. Mostly it is a central directory that keeps track of which service are running and which nodes they are running and whether they are healthy or not. And why do we need Consul exporter? By default, Consul does not expose metrics in a format that Prometheus can understand. Since Consul does not provide this out of the box, we use a tool called Consul exporter. This exporter connects to Consul, gather useful information like service health and node status, and converts the data into Prometheus compatible metrics. So you can see and learn. If anybody will ask, it is very useful to explain, and I will explain everything through here only. Please read it, you can understand. So how we can identify metrics and which commands we have to give and how we can understand. Here give the metrics names. We can identify here node healthy and Consul node up, whether node is up and running or not. This is the some of the examples. Please read it. Why is this helpful for DevOps engineer? In modern environments, we need to real-time monitoring of our services. If service goes down, we should be able to trigger alerts immediately. If a node become unreachable, we want to see it right away in tools like Prometheus and Grafana. With this setup, we can also build powerful dashboard that show the total number of services running, the health status of each service, the history of any failures or outage over time. This is the dashboard of Consul exporter. Next video, I will explain how to installation of Consul exporter and how can we visualization through Grafana. This is the example dashboard of Consul exporter. This is the total services and Consul peers and leaders, unhealthy Consul nodes. So you can check here in this dashboard and whether services are healthy, unhealthy. So it will show clearly in this dashboard. So for that we can use Consul exporter. So next video I will show you how to installation of Consul exporter and how we can visualization through Grafana, how we can configure through Prometheus. So I will explain. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please keep in comment section. Thank you.